What's the meaning of costliness? Costliness. Costliness.
Costliness. Costliness. Costliness refers to the state or quality of being expensive or requiring a significant amount of money to obtain or maintain. This term is often used to describe the financial burden or expense associated with a particular item, service, or activity. The result of costliness is that it can make it difficult for individuals or organizations to afford certain things or to operate within their budget constraints. It can also contribute to economic inequality by creating disparities in access to goods and services based on ability to pay.